Welcome to Quiz Fun Fest. Can you ace this logic quiz? Let's go. Level 1. Easy. Here's the first one. Pick the odd fruit from those shown below. That's right. It's apple. It's not a citrus fruit. Here's the next one. What is the next number in the series? It's 12. Easy, wasn't it? Number 3. If 3 days ago it was Wednesday, then what will it be tomorrow? It will be Sunday tomorrow. Here's an interesting one. What is 1/4 of 2/3 of 12,000? It's 2,000. Enjoying the quiz? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 5. If 12 persons board a bus, 3 get down at the first stop while 8 get on the bus, how many are traveling to the second stop? "17. Simple, wasn't it? Number 6. If John is driving at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, then how long will it take for him to travel a distance of 700 kilometers? Find the best approximation. Correct. 11 hours and 40 minutes. Number 7. 8 persons at a Christmas party. Each one got a gift for every other person. How many gifts will be placed under the Christmas tree? "56 gifts. Here's a bonus question. Share your answer in the comments below. Number 8. How many faces does a snub cube have? Remember, some faces are square and some triangular. "38. 6 square and 32 triangles." Number 9. If a dozen apples cost $10, then how much will 18 apples cost? That's right, $15. Number 10. Another easy one. What is 28% of 550? $154. Moving to the hard level. 7 businessmen have a meeting. Each one shakes hands with every other businessman. How many handshakes were exchanged? "21. Number 12. What is the next number in the series? That's right, 34. Number 13. Pick out the odd car. The yellow car. It's moving in a different direction. Number 14. If Wednesday is the second day of the month, then what day of the month is the upcoming Monday? The seventh day. Number 15. John donates a quarter of his salary to charity. Then he gets a bonus of $100. Thus he has $850. What is John's salary? $1,000. Number 16. Pick the odd one out. Telescope. It's not a communication channel. Number 17. Find the right values of the fruits to derive the right answer. The right answer is 4. The last one. How many 8s are there between 1 to 90? There are 19. Thank you for watching. Choose your next challenge from the options below.